Hi everyone, this is Crypto Mercy. Welcome on my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Before we dive on the chart, I just want to show you a small portion of one of my mentor recent video.
What it's like here. But anyway, let's talk about Bitcoin. So the last time I spoke with you, as a matter of fact, about Bitcoin was almost 4 or 5 weeks ago.
So guys, this has never happened before. We've gone 29 weeks without a pullback to the 21 weekly moving average. If you look at the data, you will see the average figure was 14.7 weeks.
So as I was saying before, back last time I was speaking to you about Bitcoin, it was about 4 or 5 weeks ago. One of the interesting things we talked about back in March, I think it was 23rd of March, when we talked about Bitcoin, was Bitcoin had not had a weekly pullback, to its weekly 21 moving average, which usually occurs. I mean, the average, it turns out, is about 13 to 14 weeks. So the fact that Bitcoin had not had a pullback to its averages, to its weekly average, for such a long time, back in March, was unusual. But guess what? Now we're in April. As I'm making this video, we're in the middle of April. Bitcoin still has not had a pullback. It's been at 34 weeks. 34 weeks since there's been no pullback whatsoever to the weekly 21 average. Now, I know, listen, guys, I know you're probably thinking, oh, come on, LSO. Surely something much more exciting we can talk about than just a weekly 21 moving average. Well, yeah, there is. In fact, there's something I mentioned in the member videos recently. So over the last few weeks, I've been saying that Bitcoin has been going through what's called a pennant, or indeed an ending diagonal formation. Okay, so if you're not familiar with what an ending diagonal pattern...
Anyway, if you guys want to check recent Alessio video, go on his channel. You just have to type Alessio Rastani, and really like this guy, following him since a while, and I'll learn a lot with him. Also, let's go. Just before we go, please smash the like button and ring the bell. Please, this is helping so much the channel. All right, hallelujah. On a technical perspective, it's a temporary reversal. I think it's a temporary reversal, and I will explain you why I think this is. Many bearish indicators are flagging. Weekly MAC bearish cross. BTC is about to close on a monthly double top, which will signify for me probably the end of the bull trend. The Pi cycle is also already signaled the top. Are they just trying to play in everyone's head? For sure. Listen to them right now. I think they're laughing. All right. Patience is the key here. I'm sure Bitcoin will test the weekly moving average 21. Maybe go back around 43K, even 38K possible. But let's deep dive on the EGLD and Bitcoin chart right now. But before, the intro. All right, welcome back. This is Crypto Mercy. Just smash the likes if you're new here. Ring the bell if you want to get noticed when I'm live. Don't know if people that are following me know that I flagged this bearish divergence here, which was a huge wave 5 signal for Bitcoin, and now we are having this MACD bearish cross. This is not looking good. I want to show you this simple pitchfork. I mean, Bitcoin is pretty simple right now, following this pitchfork. Look at the support here. I'm just gonna zoom in for you. Beautiful support right there. Resistance test, go over resistance, and now we are almost on the top. Does that mean that we are not gonna go higher? Doesn't mean we're not gonna go higher and test the top of this pitchfork, but this kind of divergence is our majors, And bearish divergence on the weekly MACD is so important. Look at this bearish divergence we had here, a huge signal. Also, I just want to show even if Bitcoin push the price up recently today, we have this pi cycle signal that I'm gonna show you. Anyway, I showed this many times to you guys. It's more on the, let's go on the trading view. BLX, I used to take the Brave New Coin chart for that because all the history is up there. Let's take out this pi cycle. Pi cycle top was called. Pi cycle last bull market was called right there. Every top has been called by the pi cycle, and why not? It will be, why now it will be different? Maybe, you know, but you just have to. You don't think it is better to be vigilant right now when you have those kind of signal, than risk your all your liquidity because maybe you think that Bitcoin's gonna go at 100,000 right away. Maybe you're about to miss a very important opportunity to buy much lower. It's why we have to analyze all this right now. Also, one thing, you are having a little pullback here. We are having a little pullback here. But where is the EMA ribbon right now? Look at this. Do you think we're going to smash the EMA ribbons and go over it? Maybe. But you don't buy under this kind of resistance on the daily. The EMA ribbon is resistance now, and a pretty strong resistance. Also, one other things, we were making higher high all the time, and now we just made a new low. We just have to be risk management, guys. Risk management. What is better is to risk your money here, that maybe you're gonna make, you know, a couple of percent with all this bearish signal. You're gonna maybe make 5%, 10%, but maybe you'll be happy to buy here or right on the weekly moving average 21, which is at 45. No, this is the MA21, MA20. This one. MA21 is currently at 44,347. We're close. We're very close to, and it is possible that you know, they will take the occasion to test the midline of the pitchfork, which is will not surprise me. And the midline is around 30K. It's all about risk management. Also, one important thing right here for the Bitcoin, if you take a look at the Bollinger Band, we were on top of the weekly Bollinger Band, and you see the moving average 21 is the red line right there. And is it possible that we gonna test the bottom of the Bollinger Band? It can. It can. Just be careful. Just manage the risk here. When you see those kind of signals, I mean, it's better to be patient. Also, if we are having a pullback here, it's possible that we're having, because I will explain you. This is very important because we might had a ABC wave, okay, and we can. It is possible that we're gonna make an ABC wave like this to make a huge ABC because every ABC are created from intermediate ABC. You're going to have A, you're going to have B, and you're going to have C, like this. And how to find those B waves here is by placing your Fibonacci. It doesn't mean that this was the bottom of this ABC, but it is possible. But let's go over it and try to figure out where are the possible B wave if this was the bottom of the A wave. You will have the 0.618 at 57,288. And you will have, let's do this like that. It's something like this. It is also possible that B wave really like to go sometimes around 0.85. Just be careful because this is a trap zone. This zone is a trap zone because B wave love to go there when there is a retracement. And usually in a bear market, I'm not saying that we are in a bear market, but there is some signal that suggests that we might be in a bear market. Like I showed you before, I gave you an example of the last bull market right here. Just gonna go over this. This was the top of the bull market. No, just wait. The top of the bull market right there in 2018, 17. Okay, and I showed you on a recent video, I think 2-3 days ago, how on the weekly, the Bitcoin is always going back on the 0.618, and it's also possible to swing with. I'm just gonna go on the BLX again. All right. Maybe on the daily chart it will be easier to see. Okay, you have this here and you have this pullback right there, or where is my red line? Right here. Okay, and if you go on a weekly chart, damn. All right. Just gonna have some problem with TradingView right now. Today. All right. Okay. Look, this is similar to the pullback that we had. And this was the trap zone. This is what I want to show you. Even I'm on the 2-day right now. You take the last high, you click, and you grab the bottom. And you see that 0.618 was a great spot to get out here. But it happens right now that even here, people, it was a bearish trap, and we tested a little bit higher for this B wave. But if you go I'm going to show you a BTC USD to show you the the ABC wave on a lower time frame. You will understand what I mean. Okay, let's erase all this here. And this was not the end of the bull market. This was the end of the last bull market. Let's go lower time frame. Let's try to catch this. Okay. All right, it's not gonna be long. Sorry for this. 8,000. Okay, this was the top right there. Okay, you see you have A, B right here, and C, and you have the same here. You have the A, the B, and the C right here, and another A, B, C was stopped right there, and the huge B wave stopped here, stop it here. And this is why it's important to be careful right here, because we had the same happen. The same happened. We never had a lower low, and for the first time we had a lower low here, and this was, for me, the confirmation of a probable reversal trend. And anyway, like this, if you take the top, you see you're on the 0.618 of Fibonacci. Damn, what's going on with Trading View? He's bringing me back all the time. Okay, all right. Anyway, this is giving us a clearer view, but you must understand that this is why we have to be vigilant here, because this is a trap zone, and they will play in that for sure. And here, even they created a W, a fake out, and they confirm. Already almost confirm this neckline right here, and they smash the price down like so hard. It's why I just have to be vigilant and with all this right here. Top, bottom. And if you want to go on a longer chart, you see here a longer term chart. You know, you can see right here that even 0.5 can be inside the trap zone sometimes. And I already talked about this a couple of times. It's always to be vigilant with those kind of pullback. Anyway, I'm not gonna redo all the 0.618 swing trade that I did on the other video, but you can refer to, just gonna show you the video, this one right here, that I'm showing in this video how you can, swing on the 0.618. But you have to be vigilant for sure, and it's always risky to do it. But anyway, 0.618 is the golden fib, and it's not the golden fib for nothing. Also here, same stuff. Top. If it's the bottom, you gotta be careful with this trap zone right there, between 55,000. 160 and 61.8, but the 0.618 is at 57,322. Okay, cool. I think you guys understand that. And for the Bollinger Band right here, same stuff. I just showed you possible retest of this moving average 21. really soon. And on the monthly, very dangerous here. If Bitcoin, listen here, this is so important because they can trap, even they can just trap. They will do, the market makers use the best technical analysis to try to trap us. But here we have a probable double top that is going to close in 4 days, 10 hours. If Bitcoin is not able to go over 58,744, he will create a double top confirmation on the monthly chart. And a double top confirmation on the monthly chart is pretty dangerous and can signify the end of the bull market. Just take a look at what happened here. This was our bull market in 2017, and we ended with a double top right there. And for sure, you will have some kind of retracement sometimes, even on the monthly. You see, you had a double top there. But you have to be careful after you this first confirmation, because what happened after that is they try to manipulate, and every time you have a double bottom, they reverse right after this to you and right in your face. You see it here, double bottom. They close. Maybe some people say, "Oh, double bottom right here. I'm gonna buy this right there." But they already confirmed a double top here, which is the first trend reversal signal. And if you bought here, then you got wrecked. It's why they know. They can read candles too, those guys. Okay, also here, double bottom. I'm gonna buy here, just go for double bottom on the monthly. Hallelujah. And, boom, they wreck you again. Okay. It's why after the first double top confirmations, I'm not recommending to swing trade on the monthly chart, not at all. But when you have this double bottom confirmation and you in a bear market, it's always good to hold after this kind of confirmation, because usually it's pretty significant. You see here, it was the capitulation right there, the capitulation, and after that we had an accumulation period, and we made a double bottom. We have to be smart, after an accumulation period, it's and this little candle close here, it's much less risky, than trying to enter right there. You understand? It's just risk management, and we have to use our brain. This is important. Also, where are currently, but what can they do right now? What can they do? Also, it can be possible that they're just gonna, close a little over it and smash it right again, much harder in our face. This is just a signal right here. It's a spinning top on a double top. This candle is a spinning top, and right now it's not looking good. But they can play with that. Just close a little over and smash everything, the price down very quickly. But usually after this candle close right there, we should have more downsides, because those monthly confirmation are strong confirmation. I told you that more your time frame, your candle close is higher, more you detect bearish or bullish pattern on higher chart, higher time frame, more it is significant for robots, HFT bots, swing traders, everyone. And here we have like 2 double top in a row on the 2 week. Yeah, for sure we have a little, but we'll see. It's in 13 days, but now we're kind of having a double bottom formation. But the trend changed. It's the first time the trend changed. We just made a new low. This is the difference right now. This is an important difference to make for me personally. Risk management right here, and let's see on the 2 month, nothing yet, but it can turn out to be a shooting star right there, which is a reversal candle. If we go around, if we close in 4 days around 47, even lower, this can be a gravestone too. If we close around 45k or 45k, even if we close a little bit lower than this is gonna create a double top on the 2 months, and watch out, watch out. When this happen, woo, this is a crazy confirmation on the 2 monthly chart. All right. Just for now, you need to understand that the moving average 21, we are under moving average 21. Maybe we're going to retest it around 57K, but this is now resistance. Okay. We are right on near the resistance of the 12 hours moving average 21, and look at the gravity. Gravity is already starting to change and give many resistance to Bitcoin. This will be hard. Upper band going down, middle band going down. Here what we see is a spinning top formation, one of the worst reversal candle confirmation. We're gonna have this in 9 hours. If it's closing over the body over this and in a spinning top, it will signify a reversal of the trend again. This was a double bottom, and this is a reversal candle here. Probably we're gonna go test the 12-hour moving average around 54K, 54.2K, and after this, we might gonna close in double top or or in a spinning top form. We will have to follow that. This is those kind of manipulating candles, them. Be careful here. Also on the daily, it's not so huge right now, but it will be the first time that we see the Bollinger Band on the daily starting to reverse. You see, we have the upper band that is starting to move down. The moving average 21, the mid band is moving down. The lower band too. The gravity is starting to turn. And we can see this right now. It's like looking in the future for the daily chart, and it's not looking good. All right. I show you the resistance on the Bitcoin chart. Let's erase everything. Now, on the daily chart, you have those two moving average here that are now big resistance for Bitcoin. But we just grab back the moving average 7 and 9, but they are already bearish cross right here. The bearish cross happened on the daily chart. And let's deep dive on the 2-day bearish cross of this MA7 and MA9. I told you this is the favorite indicator for Jim Cramer. He's not the best technical analysis in the world, but he thinks for him it's pretty easy. He's playing with this. It's when they cross like this, it's always dangerous. Here on the 3-day, we just had this bearish cross of the moving average 7 and 9. On the 4-day, we already had this bearish. No, sorry. no, on the 4-day we don't have it yet, but they are resistance up there. We had it, but MA7 came back, but they are looking on the downside. They are pointing down, which is not good, and they should bearish cross soon. On the 5-day, really very close to have a bearish cross too. And let's see, not a bearish cross, but they're heading down, and on the 10-day, and they are approaching each other, and they were a good distance. But now the MA7 on the 10-day is looking to go lower right now, and maybe cross back the moving average 9 here. On the weekly, it's a fight. Now, if this happened on the weekly chart, my God, you know, it's and it should happen very soon anyway. If the market makers don't want this to happen, they're gonna have to go over 57,000 really soon, and now their resistance, for sure they will have some rejection there. And right, okay, I show you the MA ribbon too. I think it's pretty clear. I'm checking my, okay, for the eagle right now, the eagle, same stuff. And just to go quickly over the last things on the Bitcoin is that how to trace a trend line. You can go on the daily chart, and what you do, you take the ray, and you click on the top and the last top after this one, and you will have pure resistance. Also, we have pure resistance right here. It's why just have to be vigilant right now, and watch those resistance. Always keep an eye on those resistance. Keep an eye on the trap zone. This is if you are taking risk and buying Bitcoins, when you just prepare your resistance moving average, the EMA ribbon, the Fibonacci, and this will help you to know when to get out, you know, and take out all the risk. All right, this is cool. The eagle, for the eagle, right now I bring something new maybe to you. It's the pitchfork. Those are a modified pitchfork, but anyway, we can see how it's acting on the eagle now. Resistance is there, resistance on the midline right there. We have the trap zone up there because I already put my Fibonacci, and we can see that the trap zone is right there. But you can do it by yourself anyway. You see this mid band right here. I'm going to put it in yellow, but it's the mid band resistance of this pitchfork right here. And this will be huge resistance for the eagle. Now the eagle is in a downtrend. And it's why we have a clear view of how it was rejected here, rejected there, gets some support, smash, top, you know, now reversing and creating a shooting star. It's all about resistance, guys, and support. Now the trend is long trend is still intact for now for the eagle. I'm just gonna make a copy of this because this is for my this is my members chart. I'm gonna make a copy of this. All right, cool. Let's take all of this. Also, you have you can take your ray right here. You trace from the top, grab the second one, and you will have your resistance. right here. Okay, you're gonna have to be careful here if it can't go there, but you know, for now it seems that there's a little bit there's too many resistance operating right now, and you have this point to this point. You see our, you know, we have to deal with this right now on the lower chart. It's very close, you know. It's you see resistance is operating right away here. Very important. Also, one thing to notice on the eagle is this rising wedge formation, huge rising wedge formation, which Alessio call a pennant, a bearish pennant. Those pennant are very you know, the eagle can go on the pennant for a long time, but just want to show you this pennant because it's a bearish formation, and it's possible that we go higher and that we form an ascending triangle, an ascending channel. It is possible, but now we can purely see this bearish pennant or rising wedge. All right, where is the moving average 21 for the eagle on the daily? Where's the resistance? Look at this right here. Moving average 21 is at 190. The eagle have to deal with the moving average 9 right now, acting as a dynamic resistance. But it's a it's a confrontation here. Sorry, whew, that was crazy. Whoa. Damn, that was crazy. Sorry for that. Moving average 7 still going down. Might want to reverse a little. I'm not sure yet. But just keep a note of this. And the Bollinger Band for sure. That on the daily, on the weekly, sorry. I think personally that the eagle is gonna go wants to test the moving average 21 on the weekly. If the Bitcoin is doing it, he will do it too, which is a very good entry right there. Very good entry for the eagle around 110. Possible retest of this, and this is not the end of the world, because I mean this can create a smaller retracement of this huge wave 1, 2, and but let's figure out. I'm gonna do it on the egold BUSD. Let's figure out that, okay, we retrace and that the eagle is not going to go lower. All right. He's just not going to go lower. We have this top right here. We have this bottom right there. Just going to erase that. Okay. We have this bottom right here. We have the top right there and this bottom right here. Okay. We also have this bottom, this new top, and this new bottom. This can I'm showing you all the swell 1 in second possible wave. We have a bottom there, top here. And let's bring this together and figure out if there is a great correlation right here at 328. This will be right now a possible target for in the future if Bitcoin is deciding to go like crazy and the retracement was over. Anyway, the EGLD, by retracing on the moving average 21 on the weekly chart, it doesn't mean it's not the end of the world. This is what I mean. We still have this bottom, top, and this will be our new low right there. This is a beautiful 1-2 wave right here. Second and 3, 4, 5. Yeah, like, you know, not sure this will happen like this, but I mean, always great and always LT to retrace and grab liquidities and orders on the weekly moving average 21. Anyway, just for my members here, because I know that they want me to explain clearly this trap zone. It's called the trap zone because it's the best place for to hand a B wave in a retracement wave. It's why it's always a good place for the fishers, you know, to like here. Just want to give you an example. This is gonna be very easy for you to understand. Okay, we add this top here, and we add this bottom, and we had this top. Okay, and this was an ABC wave, A, B, C. Okay, you see? But the things to understand is that C wave can retrace, and maybe you're new on my channel, and smash the like if you like those technical analysis. C waves really always retrace between the 618 and the 100 of Fibonacci, and sometimes they can go lower on the 123 and even sometimes on the 161 when it's possible. But here, you know, the eagle, 11 million eagle stack, a lot of support, a lot of volatility right now for sure. But I mean, those two retracement target here, the 61.8 and the 100 and sometimes the 123.6 are the most probable target for a C wave. And this B wave right there is where you can get trapped. Okay, I'm gonna show you this right here. You see here the trap zone was, let's go on a daily was clearly showing this. Okay, this was the top, this was the bottom of A, and the trap zone, like I said, for B waves, always in between 0.85 and even 0.5. This is the beginning of the trap zone, and more you go higher, more the trap zone will get severe, more you will have sellers and okay, it's the fisherman zone here. They fish. They try to sell you, to trap you right there and grab your money because they know that we'll have a C wave right there. Okay, and they already placed their entries if it retraces really fast. But for sure, those C waves always make an ABC to inside, like this A, this was the B, and this was the C. Okay, this more this is an intermediate ABC. Okay, right there. And this is why you have to be careful. Anyway, in another perspective right there, if this thing is almost the same of this right here, and anyway you It's a great flush for a hay wave. You have this A, B, C right there. Okay, even there, it was a trap zone. It was a trap zone. If you take this right there, you know, everyone was trapped in between the golden fib and the, you know, they push it to the 0.786, but very quickly it was almost impossible to grab this if you didn't have any exit orders right there. It was a great trap. Many got trapped, you know, I'm sure here, and, you know, anyway. When you see a trend change and you see a new low, you have to be careful. A couple of new low, the gravity is changing on the Bollinger Band. You're starting to have bearish indicator. You just have to be careful with this. Also, this one right there, you are gonna go on a lower time frame here because I know that this wick was kind of crazy and fast. Woo! You see that? No, not a lot of people saw this, but this is important because it was a quick B wave. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This A, B, C. It's possible that this was a huge A, huge B, and there we are not trying to find the end of the C wave. Let's do the math here. If it's the case, you take the top, you take the bottom here of A, you grab the top of B, and now you have possible target for your C wave right there and right there, 100, 123. Okay, this will coincide with the retracement on the golden fib that I gave you, that I gave to my members, and I show you this on the video, this video right there, $93. This is coinciding with this. Yeah, I said that the monthly EMA 7 is at $93 and the golden fib is at 97.70, and you have the weekly moving average at 103. But if they go there, why they will not send a wick to try to grab all the liquidity right here, which I think it pretty probable will happen for sure. Where I was, okay, right here. Okay, this possible target for C wave, 61.8, 100, this one is less probable. Like I said, 161.8 is a crazy retracement. This can happen only if Bitcoin is crashing like hell. Not sure Bitcoin will go if the stock market is crashing, maybe, but this will be a fast wick again. You have yeah, your wave here. Yeah, possible that this retracement is not over, but if Bitcoin is starting to you know, calm down and the eagle come here, it's possible that the C wave will end at 136, and we were very close to that point here. And this is one thing that I wanted to show you. I think you understand the trap zone, and trap zone is always to take the last top and the last low and figure out where the trap zone is, because this is creating a resistance, and when the trend change and the Bollinger Band, the gravity of the Bollinger Band is going down, it is possible that they're just going to do that. Swing on the 0.618 on the when it reverse higher, reach these reverse 0.618 on a pullback, and they're just swinging this, you know, the long, the short, the long, the short. And it's why here we can see this trend change for sure. Right there. Now we're dealing with this anyway. Can be here, but you see resistance up there. The moving average on the daily who are starting to be resistance are currently the moving average 9. We already had this bearish cross. Moving average 21 is, like I said, resistance, and we still have this EMA. I'm gonna put here the EMA ribbon to show you. Whoops. The EMA ribbon on the daily is now resistance, in addition of all the resistance that we have in the trend. Yeah, for sure we can go, and I prefer take a position, but sometimes it can be a trap too. But it's better to be over the EMA ribbon, and when the EMA ribbon is contracted, like we saw here, this is giving you more chance because you have a dynamic support under you. On the 4 hours here, don't like this too much. Even if we retest here, we're forming a double top right here, and there's too many resistance, and the gravity of the Bollinger Band is probably bearish right now. Look at that. The gravity is pushing the price on the lower, and even by doing this, the middle band here becomes tougher to its resistance tougher to pass and break. But here it happened, here we were able to go over it on the 4 hours. Now we are trying to change the trend on the 4 hours. Let's see. It is possible that we're gonna go in an accumulation period and for sometimes and doing this like that, but you will see now we don't. Now the trend is down. The gravity on the 4 hour band is down. Gravity on the 6 hours is down. Gravity on the 8 hours is crazy tough, and I'm just surprised here. But we are creating a double top with a spinning top, which is a bearish trend reversal. It's going to close in 43 minutes. If it's closing like this, get out, because they're going to smash this in your face. Bitcoin is probably doing the same stuff. Let's go on the 8 hours. Same stuff. Spinning top right here. But not in a double top, but it doesn't change anything. This is a decision, and a spinning top is a reversal pattern, a reversal candle. Okay, eagle, let's come back. On the 10 hours, gravity, look at this. On the 10 hour, it's closing in 4 hours. Guys, this can be a gravestone. If it's closing in a gravestone or even a shooting star, get out. This is dangerous. Those signs are dangerous. Candle reversal. If you don't know them, just whoops, I'm in the code right now. if you don't have them, those most important reversal, I have it on my shop. It's the top reversing candle for $5. You will get all the top reversing candles and patterns, and those are important to know and detect. On the 12 hours, already on the Eagle have a double top for me right there. If we confirm in 8 hours this, not a bearish cycle. You know, they are just starting to accumulate, and you don't want to get trapped here. You don't want to get trapped in those kind of move. I'm saying this since 2 weeks now. Protect your liquidity. This is dangerous. If you want to swing, use your Fibonacci and sell before the trap zone. Just sell before the trap zone right now, because the trend has a change. The trend has changed. The trend has not changed. Yeah, the trend has changed. Lower low right here. Lower low. You know. Okay. High. Lower high, and lower low. Okay. This is a trend reversal. And anyway, look at this 12 hours Bollinger Band gravity. This is not looking very good, but the lower band just reverse a little. But look at the mid band. This is will be very tough to pass, and they just don't want to take the risk of holding right now right under this kind of resistance. And the things that is for me less bearish a little bit is the 2-day Bollinger Band, which is indicating me that it is possible that we just gonna fall in a new accumulation period for the Eagle on the 2-day because don't have this kind of gravity on the Eagle right now on the 2-day chart. Looks pretty much better. Yes, but in this situation, in an accumulation zone, be sure that we will test this zone, and this is coinciding with what? The moving average 21 that I show you right there. The moving average 21 on the weekly chart is at 110. This is a place that we're probably gonna test soon. Maybe not soon, but you for sure. There's a lot of liquidity up there, and it's always a possible scenario for sure. On the 3 days, sorry, on the 3 days. Same things. No indication of a huge reversal right now. We have this double bottom forming. Will close in 1 day, 9 hours, but it seems to be an accumulation period. It's why this is the bottom of the Bollinger Band can be retested, and this is coinciding almost with the EMA 21 on the weekly and really close to the Fibonacci 0.618 retracement that I show you. Also, 4-day right now upper band is reversing, which but not so crazy. Lower band is upward, middle band is upward too, but this can significate a trend reversal, and it's what we're seeing, a retest. It can be only a retest of this right here, but I don't think so. I think that Bitcoin has to go on the weekly moving average 21, like I show you, and if he's doing that, Eagle will do that, Kusama will do that, Polkadot will do that. They all gonna go up there. On the 5-day, it's almost neutral. 10-day, neutral too on the Bollinger Band gravity. Long-term gravity for the Eagle is okay, intact. Now, if you ask me, is this can change? We're gonna have to take a look at this monthly chart. Right now, on the 2 week, we already made a double top, but 2 week is not, my preferred. It's an anticipation of the monthly time frame chart. Now we're forming a double bottom, but it's very, it's closing in 13 days, which is far from here. But we're gonna have to check this. If this is closing in a shooting star or gravestone, might gonna have to be very careful right here, because you see this wick is resistance, and this was resistance to many resistance, a little bit too much resistance right there. This is a confirmed resistance zone for sure. This is been rejected for the second time right now. Hardly rejected. It's probably CZ that is selling EGLD, a bunch of EGLD right now to try some profit, and he know that the MAIAR exchange is coming, and he don't want to lose his client for sure. Anyway, this is I think it's a great overview. I don't know if you like, guys. Just smash the likes and ring the bell. A little bit long maybe, but anyway, it's just to help you. Yeah, man, it's like a casino. Welcome to the casino. Protect your liquidity. Try to use my tricks to find a trap zone. Try to figure out the candle close. At this point, candle can be a trap. It's why just be careful. This is huge confirmation, bearish confirmation, bearish cross on the MACD for the Bitcoin. On the weekly chart, confirmation of the pi cycle top. This can hit hard, guys. Be careful. This can hit hard and quick. Manipulation. Look at the brave new coin, the Bitcoin, all the history. Pi cycle top was called every time correctly. Guys, this can be a huge pullback, and this can happen in a finger. How you call that in English? Finger. No, I don't know. This was right here a pullback of the. Let's take the price range, approximate price range, pullback of 70%. And let's see 70% where it can bring us. Look at this, almost under 20K. And this is a very nice place to retest. 13K, very great place to retest the last stop here. For sure, you're telling, I'm sure in your head you're saying, what? This guy is crazy. What? It can happen. Yes, it can happen. Yes, for sure, it can happen. Because look at this here. Look at this support, not very strong. Support here, not very strong. But here, here is not very strong, but it coincides with our last bull market top. For sure, we will have support at 20K. Sorry, I just missed the left side. Always good to look at the left side to grab all the support. But this is okay support. But if we lose this, be careful. It's going to be just a quick slide, and the bears will roar. Like that. They will roar. But for now, everyone in his head, like BitBoy is, boo. He's a bull right now. He's a bull. He think that Bitcoin's going to 100K tomorrow. Tomorrow, 100K, guys. Yeah. Listen to the realistic people here on YouTube. Try to, get rid of crypto. Try to get rid of BitBoy with his technical analysis. He's using some technical indicators that he can grab some, movement, and this is really cool. But he's a technical expert like Alessio Rastani. One other technical analysis that I think is really realistic is Crypto Kirby. Just try to listen to them a little bit more and to make your own opinion. They know where is the support. They know where is the resistance. Crypto Kirby know where your liquidity is in danger. It's just to figure out where's the resistance and the support. And yes, you will always have both scenario. You always gonna have those bullish perspective that are, but there is some moment where you have to protect your liquidity and be smart. And if you're patient, if you don't chase, you will have some great buying opportunity on support zone. At least you will catch swing. When Bitcoin or the Eagle is gonna fall on a good support zone. You're gonna have all this order that are coming, and the volume's gonna rise, and the price can, make go higher by 30, 40, $50. Just take a look at here on what happened right there. Let's take out the Bollinger Band. But here was a support zone right there. They tested it, and look at how 69%, almost 70% gain. $99 to $166. Put some orders on support zone and wait. They will come to you, and when you grab the new low and when you grab the wick and you know that this wick, operated, put your fib right away, your Fibonacci, and try to find a trap zone and get out of the trap zone just before, sell a portion on the 0.5, sell a bigger portion on the 0.618 on the trap zone, and you will do fine. You will do fine, I'm telling you. And we will have some confirmation pretty soon if we are in a bear market or not. But the buy cycle now is saying, be careful, be careful, because thanks for being here, guys. I wish you the best of the best. Have a great Monday. Thanks for being here. I really appreciate. Love you, everyone.